This helps the students here because we get to share our first-hand experience of what we've been through, all the challenges that we face, in order to prepare them for future challenges that they may face. We can also build more connections in different regions, and by building different connections with different people, you can just get new insights on different problems that we may have. So it's just a really good environment for sharing and helping develop new ideas.
Robotics is not about building and coding, it's about iteration and collaboration. And this peer-to-peer experience allows the students to collaborate and learn those skills. Outreach like this makes robotics less intimidating and allows them to enjoy STEAM education. And for mentors, it allows them to develop their problem-solving skills when they introduce new challenges from students that are new to the program.
It was great working with the Bangkok kids about how they went to Worlds and how their Thai experience was competing in a different region. And two, how they taught us lemlib, new code, C++, pros, a bunch of very competitive things that will obviously advance our program by a lot. It was also great to meet them, and I was very interested in their experience of being a Thai region and then how they experience Worlds too. Something I hope to do in the future.
Working with the mentors and people from Bangkok definitely helped me learn to connect with others, especially from other regions. And it definitely helped me learn more about robotics, especially having these mentors that have been to competitions and know what they're doing and know how these robots work. Having them have been in the action and been through this learning phase definitely helped me learn better from them.